Hey beautiful hair babes! Tired of dry, damaged strands and harsh chemicals? Want to nourish your locks naturally? Then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 natural remedies that will transform your hair into a healthy, bouncy masterpiece. Before we jump in, remember, these remedies are natural, but always patch test first to avoid any reactions. Consistency is key. Don't expect overnight miracles, but regular use will show results. Adjust based on your hair type. What works for one might not work for all. Alright, let's get remying. 1. Deep conditioning delight with avocado and honey. Mash half an avocado with 1 tablespoon honey. Apply to damp hair, focusing on ends. Wrap hair in a plastic bag or shower cap for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and voila! Super soft, hydrated locks. Taste scalp soothing with aloe, vera and yogurt. Mix 2 tablespoons plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Massage gently on a scalp to combat dryness and dandruff. Leave on for 15 minutes before rinsing. This combo soothes irritation and promotes healthy hair growth. 3. Shine Boost with apple cider vinegar rinse. Dilute 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar with 1 cup water. After shampooing, use this as a final rinse. Don't worry, the vinegar smell disappears. This adds shine, balances scalp pH, and reduces frizz. 4. Hair Growth Hero with onion juice and ginger. Blend 1 small onion with a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Strain the juice and massage it into your scalp. Leave on for 30 minutes, wear a shower cap if needed. Rinse thoroughly. The smell might be strong, but the benefits are worth it. Onion boosts circulation and ginger nourishes follicles for thicker hair. 5. Frizz-free with coconut oil and honey. Warm up 1 tablespoon coconut oil until melted. Mix in 1 teaspoon honey for extra moisture. Apply to damp hair, avoiding the roots. This tames frizz, adds shine, and protects from heat damage. Bonus tip: drink plenty of water and eat a healthy diet for nourished hair from the inside out. Remember, beautiful hair is healthy hair. So ditch the chemicals and embrace these natural remedies for gorgeous, healthy locks that shine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow hair care enthusiasts. And in the comments below, let me know which remedy you're most excited to try.